Good morning, happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. I'm getting ready for church. I'm gonna try out this new $20 curling iron that Brad got from Walgreens. Oh, I should probably try my straightener too, because I gotta fix my bangs. So, just got back from Target and have a little bit of a haul. I didn't buy any books, so proud of myself. Although I think I might stop at Barnes & Noble this week to get a specific book. We'll see. Anyways, we got the essentials, Viva toilet paper, or Viva paper towels. They always have them stocked at Target. Other places, they're like kind of hit and miss. But these are the best paper towels, and I'm not famous enough to hide this secret, but I will hide it one day. So, because these are the best and I don't want them to ever disappear or like be sold out. Next, toilet paper. Big paper day for us in this household. But yeah, got that. This is like the lamest Target. This is like the lamest Target haul ever. They had cat grass seeds, and so we thought that was kind of cool. Winston loves cat grass, but we pretty much buy it like from the grocery store. It has it usually like seasonally, like in the spring, like they just got it in at our local grocery store, so we buy it then. And so he's been eating that. And then I got this like cute, which I think I showed, this cute little weekly chores mat. And so I'm just gonna, is this magnetic? It doesn't look like it. Dang, I was gonna put it on the fridge and maybe I'll just buy like some of those stick-on magnets. I thought it'd be kind of nice because I've been home lately, and so I can just like keep track of just like the daily things that I want to do, and then like right down here like mow the lawn or whatever, just so like for Brad, just so, I don't know, I just thought it'd be nice. sometimes I forget to like dust or vacuum or like, I don't know, I get distracted pretty easily. So then we just got like Winston treats. He's never had these ones before. Brad picked these out. And then, oops, he's had these ones before and he likes these. I don't know if you guys are interested in like cat content. He's right here trying to get into them. Oh, hot dog buns, because we might go fishing later today, which means we might bring our like little grill, portable grill out there to grill some hot dogs. So, got that. I got these cute little bowls. They were pretty inexpensive. So I just thought I could put like condiments in here. I could put soy sauce in here. I'll probably end up getting more, but I just wanted to start out with these for now. I'm sure they'll like have them forever. They're the Threshold brand. So they're just like little, yeah, dip bowls. So, and then I also thought like it'd be cute to like, if I like chopped up green onions for a recipe, for example, I could just like take it and just dump it in and have like a nice like clean bowl. I don't know if that makes sense, but I don't know. I've just been really in also to just like the white porcelain for pictures and videos and like display things, because I feel like I have like a lot of, I don't know, like wood or like stuff with designs on it, and then it doesn't match like necessarily like the food, like it doesn't contrast well, or it's just like not seasonally, it doesn't really work. Anyways, the rest is like a bunch of different cat foods that we got for Winston to try, because I'm not sure if he's just not eating his cat food, maybe because he doesn't, I don't know, I think maybe he's not liking it. I thought like cats needed to have like consistency and like basically never change up their cat food, but maybe our little cat's just a little unique, or Winston. So, you wanna come say hi? Let's try these out. I think maybe I just fixed that like autofocus issue that I was having the other day with it like tracking my eye instead of like an object in front of the camera. So hopefully like this works. I mean, kind of cool, I guess, that there's that feature, but I just don't know enough about like cameras like to have like a full understanding. Anyways, that's like the end of the Target haul. Now I don't know what we're gonna do. I know we're gonna try to go fishing tonight, I think. As long as like the weather isn't too bad. It's supposed to be rainy, so like a 50% chance of rain, so we'll see. But yeah, if we do, obviously I'll try to take you along. Winston really wants some more treats right now, so say hi. Bye. Hi guys, my eyes are like, my makeup's faded so much today. It's just the evening time. It's like 9:30. And I'm just playing Animal Crossing and watching Alex. She's the best. And then Winston's hanging out with me. I'm talking kind of quiet because I'm embarrassed a little bit to vlog, and Brad's upstairs. Not that he can even hear me. Or maybe he can, but he doesn't pay attention. So, anyways. Oh, I'm also shopping the Sephora sale right now. I just need to get a couple things. Like, I'm almost out of my foundation anyway. And then my lip balm, or hair balm, I guess. I didn't even know that. It was leave-in conditioner. And then some dry shampoo. And the Makeup by Mario bronzer. It's like my fave. Anyways, I actually had pan on that. I'll link everything actually that I buy down below, but I'll do a haul and I'll probably link everything too. So, yeah, just scrolling through. And then I'm probably gonna go to bed. And then I think this will probably be the end of this vlog. And then I'll start a new one tomorrow. So anyways, thank you for watching my first vlog. I hope everything's okay. It's like really vulnerable. First of all, I got like a new haircut, so that's like, I don't know, just trying to figure it out. And then I don't know, it's just like hard to watch yourself on camera and listen to your voice and not be like super hypercritical. So hopefully everything turns out okay and I can even upload this. Yep. So, and then this week I have like some fun stuff planned and like gonna go Trader Joe's, I think, and Barnes & Noble. I need to stop at Target and get something. It's gonna be a nice week, so I'm gonna go for like walks and like do some outdoorsy stuff, meet up with a friend for dinner or lunch, and I think that's all. So, yep, I'll see you tomorrow or the next vlog.